Get to the back. This is for
That's
you.
what I have my husband
Okay?
for.
This is called the Cabana Boy. Okay, you insert your can of sunscreen into here, and then why don't you go ahead and on the back. Now, don't if you pull the trigger, it's going to hit you. But yeah, so allows you to pull, and then if you look at the trigger here, go ahead and we'll just spray it this way. Okay, so releases the sunscreen even though you're doing the back, right?
I like it.
She's not sold.
I just hope it gets it evenly.
It will get it evenly. And you've got Shane to help you kind of, that's what the husband is
Why
for.
she keeps him around.
And if not, maybe somebody sees you struggling and they come over and start a conversation, okay?
Right.
Let's talk about this right here. This is the Beach Bub, okay? This is the build-a-base for the umbrella. First of all, I got to tell you, feel how incredibly light this stand is, okay?
Wow.
Super light, super compact. Here's what makes the difference. Maybe you're traveling to an area lake or maybe to the shore down to Galveston. Take a look down here. I want to know if you can see what this does. You fill the base with sand.
That's nice, because normally you'll stick this in the ground
Right,
a lot of
and
times
you got to dig a hole of some sort, right? So you take the base and you put it into the ground, and then this just folds right up all three sides. You fill it with sand, so it gives you a nice sturdy place to put your umbrella.
That thing will also kill plastic vampires.
Exactly. Links, of course, to all these great summer products right now. MyFoxDFW.com. Are you going to get up anytime soon?
No, he might just bring that to the other room with us.
We got a half hour to go. You guys can do that without me. Got more to come here on Good Day.